Hey Emil,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good and you?
How's business?
Very good, very good.
Tell us what you're doing now.
Now I'm here to check on a customer's car. Customer complains of AdBlue, DPF, and all the kind of shits that you know of.
From the OBD result, everything is red. Okay guys, as you can see, my legs are off the pedal, but reds are up. The process has started. Yeah, you can see from the data here, temperature after particular filter, and temperature before particular filter.
Okay guys, the procedure was a big success. We've successfully done static regeneration of the Skoda SuperB 2019.